Guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we will be playing Lioness. So right, okay guys, let's deploy. What team should I be on? I'm on a workout. I played this game before. You can see. And dance, guys. Ready? Ready, guys? I'm about to dance. I don't know, I can't dance. I think I have to get a kill first. I'm just gonna go in it. Hey! My teammate just got took out, so guys, you can't aim, but my aim. I got that knife, you guys. Nice. Okay, I want to stick with this gun, but if you get a kill, you go with their gun. So now I got this gun. I got 3 kills already. Let's go, T. Let's go. I see a person. I can aim with the sniper only, guys. Don't that suck? Oh yeah, let me go get his crate so I can build up some. 5 kills. Dang, I didn't have no chance. I didn't have no fast gun. Those 2 people on me. Oh my gosh. But if it was Fortnite, I would snipe both of them. Did I get another gun? Let's go. I would miss all them shots. That was on me though. Sorry. Oh yeah, guys. Sorry, I forgot to mention. I don't even know if I just said the right thing, but I hope I did. Yo, I got a rocket launcher. Got a rock's body just like this. I killed my own mate. Now I killed myself. Oh my gosh, guys! I forgot to mention. Sorry. Alright, I'm just not going to say it. Sorry if you can't hear my intro like volume. I'm sorry, but I will try to fix that. Okay, that's all I wanted to tell you. The freak? Got a rocket launcher. Hope I don't kill myself this time. I hope I don't have the right. I'm just gonna have to get a kill if I want to get a new gun. God, can't find nobody. Literally, yo, cannot find anybody. I got 7 kills, but I still can't find anybody. But we're definitely losing there. Look how much kills they got. I will get 10 or 13 kills for y'all, but I will. Whoa! Oh my God, he keep popping out. Oh. I think he was over here. No, he wasn't. He was like over here. That's where I meant to go. Yes! Yes, I got a new gun! And he just died. Oh, dang it. I got a sniper. Don't follow me. I want this kill. Thank you for not following. If I found a person, I'm killing. Pop, pop, pop. Pop. Ooh, let's go. Pistol. I got a pistol. I just crashed into a wall. Golden knife, don't let him get a kill. Dang, I hit him for 60. What is that, a pistol or not? Blue team won, man. He got 6 kills. He got 33 kills. He got freaking 16, and I got 11. Oh, I was on blue. I won. I got 11 kills. So it's 2 red team and it's 3 of us, so that's not fair. Yes, I'll start off with a shotgun. I'm glad I started off with a shotgun. Watch I get a new gun. Dang it. Yes! I was about to say dang. Yes. Yes! Oh my God. Only if I had a shotgun. I shouldn't have killed him. I should have let the other guy kill him. I still was killed. That's whack. Wait, guys, I just noticed my volume is not. Yep, here it is. Well. Like, Gosh, guy, getting punched on. I don't like this 3 burst shot. I don't like this 3 burst gun. Oh my! Why they? Yo, I hate you. I hate that. That's what you get when I hate stuff. When I hate stuff, you done. Yes, let's go. 3 kills, okay. I must have been killing people. Like, I kept getting killed, but I guess we was killing people at the same time or something. Dang it, dang it. He died. So glad he died. Oh, this is my favorite, like, sniper. It delete him right away. Like, it just delete him, yo. I love this gun. 1-shot kill. Like, the freak. Die. I miss. No, he hit me before I hit him. So, see, it defeat him or it defeat him with 1 hit, like. Look at his hand shaking, yo. Popped him. No! I have to get a kill. He touched me with a freaking baseball gun. This guy killed me with a baseball gun. Yo, we going knife all in, yo. So I'm about to get knife some peeps. Oh no! I killed him, I think. No, I didn't. I still got 6 kills. He killed me with a laser gun. He only killed me because it's a 1-shot kill. He killed me with a laser sniper. I don't know how I didn't kill him. I did kill him. I suck with the sniper. I don't think I can aim. Oh yeah, I forgot. I want to respawn right there. Yeah, at least I respawn. Dang, that's kind of harsh. I blew his brains out, yo. Harsh. Guys, subscribe, like, comment down below. Bye. Later.